In the first clip, I did U prime with my left index finger before regripping for the A perm, while in the second one, I did U prime push with my right index, which makes the transition to the A perm more fluidly. Hey cubing gang, it's your boss, the Permacuber. Welcome back to another video. And in this video, I will give you some advices as well as tricks to make your AUF faster. First of all, AUF means adjusting the U pace. This term is most commonly used on last layer. Learning the best way on how to deal with AUF is important because it will prevent you from doing random U moves and it will save fraction of a second. Now let's move on to my tips. Number 1. Make sure you know advanced finger tricks. You should be able to do U2 flicks with your right and left hand. You should also implement U push, U flick, and pinch U in your AUFs. Number 2. Predict your AUF. Predicting your AUF is the best way to improve your AUF. You can predict AUF by recognizing the alignment of the pieces. For example, this J perm where this big block is aligned to its colors have a U prime AUF. Or you can just simply imagine that this color will stay here. So once you do the J perm algorithm, you need to do U prime. Here's another example. Here is the R perm algorithm that I use. When you have this color opposite to this side, then you need to do U2. Number 3. Learn two-side PLL recognition. Recognizing your PLL by just looking at two sides will definitely help boost your pre-AUF and AUF. In this example, I know that I have a T-perm and one of its block is right here and the headlights are on the back. That means we need to do a U prime as our pre-AUF. But to predict the AUF, you must imagine how this block will align to this space. In this example, we have no AUF. Number 4. Look ahead while executing the algorithm. In order to ensure that your AUF prediction is right, looking ahead to the pieces that the algorithm is solving is quite useful. For example, in this Y perm with this specific AUF, I want to ensure that the AUF is really a U. So while executing the algorithm, I am looking ahead to the pieces or the blocks that it is solving. And at this point, I know that these pieces will go here, so I am correct. Number 5. Don't do random U-turns. Doing this will definitely slow you down. To avoid this bad habit, you should not be panicking while you are in last layer. And implementing the previous tips will definitely avoid this bad habit. Number 6. Practice. Always be mindful and incorporate these tips to your solves. Practicing by using last layer scrambles is a great way to improve your PLL plus AUF. So those are my 6 tips to improve your AUF. Now let's move on to the AUF tricks that I use in my solves. So those are my tips and tricks that will help you improve your AUF. I hope you found this video helpful. And as always, thank you all for watching. Again, this is your boss, the Perfect Cuber. See you all next time. Keep safe, guys.